Hello everyone, welcome back. Hi Mike, hi Nayo. Thank you so much for joining my stream today so on time. Okay, do you still remember the previous signal that I posted for everyone last Monday? Yeah, I also told you about the curse, right? After I ended my stream, the signal active and yeah, it didn't hit the stop loss. Okay, it's just a few pips left to hit the stop loss, but it's just a how to say the market just scare all of us. Yeah, jump scare all of us, and as you can see, the consequence, the result now is heading to $4,200 level at the moment. So I'd like to send my congratulations to everyone to still hold for this entry zone, 4,076. Yeah, it's kind of good entry zone for anyone want to trade scalping and swing trading. Yeah, as long as you can identify the good entry zone, you can confidently to hold it for further taking profit. Hi Gong Scalper. Okay, so today is another day that gold explosion and continue to set up an all-time high, right? And yesterday my VIB signal group was hit a history, yeah, more than 2,000 winning pips profit. So congratulations for all my VIB members. Okay, so if you want to receive more qualified scalping signal to trade a day from the early Asian session until New York session, welcome to my VIB signal group. Yeah, I show you my summary table for the winning pairs on the right side of the corner, as you can see. Yeah, and yesterday I also received a lot of positive feedback for the profit my VIB member gains. Only yesterday. Yes, only yesterday. You just be disciplined and follow my instruction to enter the signal on the VIB signal group. I believe that you will multiple your trading capital. Okay, no need copy trading, no need any sweet invitation or any scammers. It's easily for us to see the scammer in the financial market, so be aware of for all the invitations you see. And if you follow me long enough, yeah, you will yourself do the estimation for all of my signal. Hello. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube to receive the notification whenever I have my live stream schedule. Okay, and I would like to set up today signal. Yeah, as you can see that gold just in the short term retracement, and previously a few minutes ago, a few hours ago, yeah, this candle made a liquidity sweep. Yeah, for any candles that having a long lower shadow like this, this is where big players or sharks hunting liquidity. Okay, hunting liquidity. So I will delete the previous signal, and the black lines you can see on the chart is the Fibonacci extensions from the daily time frame, and this resistance levels already break out, yeah, by this confirmation candle. Okay, so it's kind of easy for us to do the analysis if you have enough knowledge for the basic one, yeah, from the resistance or Fibonacci or breakout zone. So it can be help you a lot to identify the best position. And remember to set a stop loss order for every trade you are in, to protect your capital. Stop loss is your shield to protect your capital. Okay, and the reward ratio must be at least 1 to 1. Okay, so in the beginning of my live stream today, I would like to remind you a bit. I believe that it's very familiar to you because I usually repeat all the times. Till everyone can remember, especially the new beginners. New beginners just join in this market. In the beginning of our journey, we need to set a clear mindset because we are investor, we are trader, we are not gambler to this market. Okay. Hello, hi Hamzi. Is that correctly that I call your name? You can see the indicators that I use for EMA. Okay, you click to this indicator box and choose this script name by Mr. Eric Huang. This one. You need to choose the correct script name because there are thousands of EMA on TradingView. And this is the one I choose it. Okay, so you click to this indicator, and then for the setting, click to the setting button here. And then you change 8 into 34, 34 into 89, and 89 into 100. Okay, so this is the input value you need to change. And then you click OK. So there you go. There are 3 EMA's ribbon appears on your trading chart. Is it clear for you to set up the EMA? Comment OK to let me know. Hi Mooney. Summary is not mentioned as October 14. Oh, really? Let me check. Let me check the summary table. Okay, so I will check for a while. Oh, is this correct? October 14. October 14. The summary table I show for you on the chart is correct. So you can compare to my community on Telegram. The posted. I usually post it in the New York session. Okay, so gold keep on forming a new all-time high at the moment. So to avoid the FOMO entry zone. So today in our live stream today, I would like to set up a pending order for everyone. Hang on a second, I will type a signal for you on the chart. Okay, and the formulas about take profit is the same, unchanged. 30 pips, 50 pips, 80 pips, and open. 30 pips, you can close a part of the trade and hold for the further take profit. Okay, so are you clear about the current pending order? Let's comment and interact with me. Okay, my pleasure, Hamzi. Thank you. I hope this is going to be useful for you in your trading journey. And did you clear about the usage for 3 EMA ribbons already? For the EMA, for me, it's very useful for me to identify the market trend. Okay, normally if you see that, you will easily missed between the sideways market and the uptrend. We don't know how is the market is moving sideways and how is it called is an uptrend. Sometimes we will miss it, especially like this time. You know that we cannot forecast correctly if just looking at the chart purely. Okay, so let me hide it. Yeah, it's very empty chart, right? And we just know that it's officially have a very strong uptrend already. And how is it gonna be at the moment? We don't know. So by using EMA, it will help you a lot to help you to make sure that is how the market is moving in which trend. Okay. Hi mom. Oh, you're so funny. My dear friend, Wheatland. Hi mom. So lovely. Hello dear. Hi PJ. Okay, so we're now waiting for the price coming back to our entry zone. Okay, it's not better for us to hit any random trade at the moment because the $4,200 level is the psychology level, resistance level. Yes, so it's better for us to wait for pull back, to the better entry zone. So I decided to set up the pending order based on this breakout, this support area. Okay, and the lower shadows is where the sharks getting hunting. Let me check. 1 hour ago, nearly 1 hour ago. And yeah, it's pending limit. Yeah, it is. Let's come back to the Forex Factory calendar. You know that the US government is still shut down at the moment. So for the red news relating to the US economy is still showing the status is tentative. I believe that until the US government open, gold is keep on forming, establishing new all-time high every day. Yeah, and you see that yesterday, Tuesday, we had Fed Chair Powell speaks, and usually that there's a joke on the internet, on the social media that when Powell usually said good afternoon, and you see that the market is in a powerful bearish momentum, and when he said hello everyone, the market is in blue. Yeah, it's a powerful bullish momentum, and it's like a joke. So if the market is moving in the correct technical analysis, so until Fed Chair Powell speak, it's gonna be a high volatility. So that's why I advise everyone, if you are living in the Asian country, you should have a go to bed early, okay, and wait for tomorrow when the market is more stable in the early Asian session. We will come back to fight with the market again, okay. And if you want to trade safely, just avoid trading in this sensitive period, especially when Mr. Powell speak. Okay, and he's still in the dovish opinion at the moment. There's not any specular about the dovish policy, monetary policy, and everything will be clear how to cut down 25 points in the future, and at least we need to wait until the end of this October. Okay, so anyway, that gold is still under a lot of support for the buyers and keep on forming, keep on establishing a new all-time high every day. But to be careful. Okay, and currently we have the latest peak is 42.18. 42.18 is the current peak. That is our current strong resistance at the moment. So we can identify the market price zone. It's easier for us to set up any entry. In the 5-minute time frame, it also have a trend line, a downtrend like this, but in the short term, because all of the candles we are observing is in the 5-minute time frames only. Okay, and at the moment it's just moving sideways and waiting for the bounce, for more reinforces that is gonna be happened in today's New York session. Hi Mohammed. Hi Poon. Hello Bear. Okay, so now we're waiting for our current pending order is active. Anyone want to trade with the market for the sell scalping signal at the moment? Anyone dare to sell now? Anyone? So I would like to hear your comment. Any opinion for sell signal at the moment? Hi Magri. Mercy. Hello Mercy. Let me try sell scalping. Remember to lower your trading volume, okay? Because I just follow the current trend at the moment. Waiting for below entry to be active. Okay, so you can lower your trading volume to bet with the market for the sell scalping signal. And remember to set a stop loss, okay? And it also depends to your ratio, risk reward ratio. So this signal, I must clear with you, it just bets to the market, okay? If you are more careful, we will wait for this 5-minute candle close. How is it gonna be shaped? How is it gonna be forming? Thirty seconds left. Okay, so let's wait for it. Oh, the Nightbot is continue to delete your comment. Use Forex to find max price that can arrive. 42.16. 42.16. Yeah, Fibonacci extension, right? It also depends to how you identify the wave and draw the Fibonacci. Okay, the 5-minute candle close with a bearish one, but it's gonna be a struggle, between the buyers and seller at the moment. You see that the range is getting more and more narrowed, and it seems like the candle is just moving near the range of the trend line. So it's better for us to keep keep on setting this buy scalping signal. Hello, hi Jay. Do you think that long wick will get filled today? It also depends to how the market reaction with the current resistance or support level. If it's break down, it's break down from the key level, key support level I draw for you on the chart, which is our buy scalping signal. It's a breakdown. It's easily to fill the below gap. This is the footprint of the big players or sharks hunting liquidity. But the conditions is it breakdown of this key support level. Okay, and I will observe the chart and continue to update the qualified scalping signal on my VIP signal group. And if you want to receive those scalping signal to trade with me, you can send me direct message by scanning the QR code I posted on the left side of the corner. Okay, and I will instruct you how to join my VIP signal group. And on my channel, I will continue to update the further reaction of the market. So it starts moving sideways from now. So next time I will find another time to have live stream. Recently, that when I start my live stream schedule, you know that the market is always moving sideways and did not support for any live trading signal. The previous signal that I posted on my previous live stream was officially active, right? Active for more than 100 pips after I ended my live stream. So I don't know that how is the market support me or not. Hi SB. Now we are waiting for the below signal active. Okay, buy at 41.93 to 41.91. You can see that most of the candle is moving near the EMA 34 and the trend line I show on the chart. So it's gonna be take some time for us to wait. Or you can have dinner or have lunch, because now the market is resting before coming to the New York session. You see that in a 5-minute time frame, the candle is forming with a very small body. And it keep on lying on the EMA 34 ribbon here. Okay, so meanwhile waiting for the market movement, let's take a look at the other assets like BTC. According to the EMA ribbons, you can see on the chart, now BTC is under a selling pressure at the moment and still under a downtrend at the moment. The rectangle box I draw for you last Monday, Yeah, the breakout is officially breakdown and breakdown to the support level, key support level. And anyway, in the long term, in the long term, that BTC still haven't had the support from the buyer yet. It's still under a lot of selling pressure at the moment, and you see that it's just dropping drastically, and the recover of BTC asset is just in the short term. And after that, the selling pressure came back, and until now, it's just moving in the narrow range sideways at the below key level, below key support level. And for my setup for EMA, it's showing that all the candles is lying below the EMA ribbons, so it cannot having the recover strongly from the buyers at the moment. And you see below here is have the gap, right? This is also another footprint that the market is getting manipulated and liquidity hunting. So if anyone fall in that crash last Friday night, so it's gonna be a disaster and nightmare for all the future traders, right? So I hope that you will have a deep experience for your trading for any assets, especially gold and BTC and cryptocurrencies. Now, and this washout situations in the near future is gonna be happened again and again. Don't let us to become a shark bait. Okay, and if you want to trade by using leverage, choose the appropriate ratio. Do not use the maximum leverage. Okay, it's very, very dangerous, and last Friday night was our deep experience. Yeah, even though it's severe, but I hope that you will have a lot of experience through that event. Yeah, sadness event. So anyway, that in my point of view, BTC is still under a lot of selling pressure, and it needs to recover to the previous peak. It needs to break the 116,000 at least. Yeah. But now it's like BTC is standing in the roundabout or intersection, and it's more likely to drop to feel below gap that the shark is hunting for liquidity. Okay, so that is my point of view for trading BTC. Okay, and I would like to remind you that if you want to trade by using leverage, choose the appropriate ratio. Okay. The washout event is usually happened, especially that we are under the Trump era. You see that gold increased steadily as the highest in the history when Mr. President Donald Trump controlled the U.S. government. Okay, so all the financial market is trading under Trump era must be set in the highest alert level. Okay, do not let our guard down. If not, you will become the shark bait. Hi T-Shift, what do you want to say? Yeah, feel free to leave your comment on the chat box. Okay, so let's come back to the gold chart. It's continued to move sideways at the range of the trend line. Okay, so it's usually happened. Yeah, especially from this time. To be honest, yesterday New York session, from the London until the New York session yesterday, most of the signal that I posted on the VIP signal group is established from the analysis of the 1 minute time frame. You see that in the just only in 1 minute time frame, like this candle is moving more than 100 pips, so the market is gonna be so crazy. Okay, but if we have enough experience and confidence to set up the qualified scalping signal, it's not a big problem at all. Catch to the strength of the wave. Okay, you see that in the 1 minute time frame, the candle is moving with the big body. It's a powerful bullish and bearish engulfing candle that's established. But it's not a matter at all. I believe that with my 8-year trading experience, I can confidently help you to maximize your trading profit in the best way. And of course, remember this point, trading is a probability. Okay, trading is probability. We cannot make sure 100% win rate all the time. Just be disciplined and follow the signal enough. Follow enough signal. You will be the same to my VIP members. Okay, it's dropping down. Gold just dropping down. Okay. Now the trend line getting active, right? Heading down, and 5 pips, 5 price left, 50 pips left. It's gonna hit our entry zone. So anyone set up a sell scalping signal? Like I just advised you to bet with the market. Now you nearly have 30 pips profit already. Just bet with the market and now you won. Okay, trend line. Trend is still our friend, our best friend. Okay, drop it down and get ready for our pending order active. So anyone bet with the market for the sell order? For the sell order at the trend line area, like I just recommend for you. My friends, nearly 60 friends is watching my live stream today. Come on, I need to see your comment. Where are you? Oh, Mike, you sold from... Wow, that's a good entry zone. Congratulations. Okay, you can move your stop loss to the break even. Move stop loss to entry zone, okay, to protect your capital. Anyone else have this sell order from the entry 4,200? Okay, set the break even. So trading is easy, right? It's just easy if you follow my instruction. Hi, happy so you had a sell order. Do you have the same entry zone as Mike? It is. Hi, unlock biz. So how is your trading results recently? It is 30 pips, right? Oh, more than 40 pips. Just close the part. You can close the part after gaining 40 pips and hold the rest for the bigger take profit. Yeah, and your target will be our entry zone for the buy scalping signal below here. It's more than entry price. You know that I usually enter a lot of layers, yeah, for one signal, because it also depends to your trading account, and my trading account is enough for me to do that. Oh, hello Hart, thank you so much for your feedback. Thank you for listening to me, yeah, for trusting and listening to me. Thank you very much, and I'm very happy that every time you watch my live stream and everyone get the money, yeah, get the money from the market. So how to say, it's gonna be my happiness, yeah, because I can help you to improve your trading skill and sharing my trading experience for everyone. And you listen to it and you do it. So I'm very appreciated for your trust and your willing. Yeah, because we have the same passion in this trading, right? Everyone wants to make money from this market. Okay, so now price is recovered from the below level, and it already hits your stop loss, hits your break even. Okay, so just have 40 pairs profit for the random. Yeah, actually it's not random trade at all, based on the trend line. Yeah, trading based on the trend lines, and we just, how to say, expect for the 40 pips profit is very okay for all scalpers. Quick in and quick out, right? Quick in, quick out. So that is called capitalize on the market movement to increase our profit. Thank you. Yeah, it's already hit your break even, so it's fine. We can wait for other opportunities. And if you want to re-enter for this entry zone, just lower your trading volume, okay? If you really want to re-enter, just lower your trading volume and trading by using your profit. Yeah. $40.03 is still very strong resistance that gold cannot break out from this level. So it's just moving near the trend line area. Okay, so I guess that after I end my live stream today, this signal will gonna be active. Okay, from now until the end of New York session, I still keep it. And remember, for all the pending order, it's only valid within a day. So after 9 p.m. according to France time, I recommend you to delete on the pending order, including my gold trading plan, if the signal do not active. Hello Asikun, long time no see you. Welcome back to my live trading today. Yeah, if you're not confident, Mike, just set trading with the micro lot. Yeah, just now for practicing, okay? Practicing your trading analysis and trading skill. Oh, okay, so you're late today, but now our signal is still not active. Yeah, just set the pending order, and I will continue to update the situation, the result of the pending order on my channel on Telegram. Okay. So I love to have a live stream like this. Yeah, to sharing and to communicate with my friends, all of my friends on YouTube. I just read a comment from HMM. I lost my follow your signal. Oh my dear, so do you see the summary tables that I posted? Every scalping signal I enter, I always show you my entry zone and my profit as well. And I really had no idea that you lost while you follow my signal, because recently, at least a month, my VIP members always get the profit when they follow my signals. Okay, so if you have any question, anything that it prevents you from making money from this market by using my scalping signal, just let me know. Yeah, to be honest, just let me know. Send me direct message if it's not convenient for you. Every information about the scalping signal result, I always post it in my private group, VIP signal group, so that you can follow and observe my trading account. It's not lie at all, and every scalping signal I set up for all of my VIP members is always based on the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. You know that 8-year tradings, I cannot do it carelessly. Yeah. Okay, so it's heading down. Anyone re-enter for the entry zone 4201 to 02. Now it's starting collapse again, and the entry zone around 4203 to 4204 is kind of strong resistance. Yeah, as you can see that I draw for you on the chart. The market reacts about 5 times, cannot break out from this level. Yeah, and it's now heading down. And I guess that after my live stream end, this signal will be active. Yeah. Oh, okay, so you are very good scalpers, Mike and Hart. Okay, so I'm very happy that today you have a lot of profit by listening to my advice. Oh, so happy today. Do you live every day? For a week, I only have live stream schedule only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you want to receive the information for the financial market, not only gold, you can scan the QR code on the left side of the chart to enter, to follow my community on Telegram. Yeah, like I just shared with you that I have the gold signal group and forex, forex signal for the traders want to trade gold or currency pairs. Yeah, there will be 2 options. Thank you so much, Heart. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe me on the YouTube channel, okay? And like for today's live stream video. Wow, congratulations. So love it. Yeah. Okay, so did you subscribe me on YouTube yet? Heart? I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, so you will have more times to follow me on the public community. Every day I will prepare for the trading plan, and you can also follow my live stream, my free signal on the live stream. Just have enough experience, and I believe that one day we will see each other in my VIP signal group. And you know that the fees is very affordable for everyone to enter, just less than $50 a month. Yeah, and it will help you to multiple your trading account many times if you discipline and follow enough my trading signal. Yeah, very soon. Yeah, I believe so. I will wait for you. Okay, so what is your friend names? Because now my VIP signal group has nearly 600 VIP members. Yeah, there's a lot of friends that I have to take care every day. Okay. Oh, Mike, you took 50 pips. Oh, very good. Congratulations. Is that the total signal that, or the route 2 you re-enter, Mike? Sorin. Oh, okay. Hi, Ruchi. BTC. I just shared with you about BTC analysis a few minutes ago, and for me, it's still under a lot of selling pressure at the moment, because you can see that all the EMA's ribbons is lying above the candles, and now it's likely that easily to break down to the below level. I will help you to share it again. And you see that it's still under a very downtrend, very strong downtrend at the moment. And this is the significant level that you need to observe if you want to follow the buyer team, the buyers. And now it's still heading down, lying below the EMA 34, and this is indicate that the market is still very strong downtrend at the moment, and likely to fill the below gap that's forming from the last Friday nightmare event. Okay, so we will wait for the further reactions at this key level to know that's how the market's gonna be reaction. Okay, so in the big broader view, it's just in a downtrend at the moment, very strong downtrend at the moment. You see that the significance level, it cannot break out strongly. Yeah, and now the main momentum of the market is the bearish according to the daily time frame. Below here we have EMA 200, and it's acting like a dynamic support zone. If it continues to break down from 108,000 level, you see a broader view for the BTCs is heading down to fill the below gap. Okay, so that is my analysis, my opinion for the BTC. And if you have the same point of view with me, thank you very much for listening and trusting my analysis. Okay, so let's come back to our trading signal. It's continue heading down. Mike, did you still hold your trade, hold your sell signal at the moment? Thank you T-Shift, thank you. Route 2. Okay, and did you close it already? Yeah, it just hit near to our entry zone, everyone. Okay, so congratulations that anyone still keep the sell order from the entry 4203. Okay, so it's about to hit your 100 pips. Yeah, just a few pips left that our entry will be active. Okay, you don't hold, but I believe that you had profit already. Small or big profit is not the matter. As long as we have profit, that is our happiness. Okay, so Mike, round 2 you had 50 pips, and first round you have 40 pips. So in just a few minutes that you gain nearly 100 pips, right? Okay, so if we have time, when we have time to trade in real time like this, so I'm very happy that you listen to me, to my analysis, and making money from this market. In the VIP community, you make some course. Do you mean the trading course? Yes. At the moment, I organize the private lesson. Yeah, live stream for the lesson. And it took place for 5 lessons already. And every live stream, every lessons, I always record it. And if you join in my VIP members, VIP signal groups, I will share you the link to access to watch the lessons again. Okay, so I'm very looking forward to see you in my VIP signal. Just less than 50 pips. I believe that this money everyone can afford it. Yeah, I consider a lot for this price, for this fee, actually, because you know that I cannot do it all things by myself. Yeah, I had some fellows to support me, and that's just small money for me to pay for them. Yeah, you know that. Thank you so much for your kind understanding for the fee. Yeah, it's just sharing for my fellows because they help me a lot. Yeah, to build the community, the public community, and the signal. And of course, that every signal that must be checked. Yeah, must be checked carefully before it's posted in the VIP signal group. It's just heading back to 43.3. Actually, that it was hit 3 pips left from my below entry zone. Okay, so this time we do not FOMO anymore because now it's not good entry zone anymore. And it's better for us to wait for below position. Okay, below position to enter the buy scalping signal. In which session do you trade? I trade most of the 3 sessions, Asian, London, and New York. Every signal I post in my VIP signal group, I always enter enough. Yeah, you will see my illustration photos for the entry zone I enter that I posted in the VIP signal group. Everything will be public. Yeah, every information will be public to let you know that I do not scam. New York is stormy, hard to survive. It is, and my advice for you is do not enter a lot of layers. And if you decide to trade in the New York session, spend your time to observe your trading volume. Trading platform like MT4 or MT4. And lower your trading volume is another way to make you feel safe when you trade in the London session, in the New York session. Okay, so that comment shows that you are not confident to trade in the New York session. So there are 2 ways. Just practice more on your demo account or lower your trading volume if you trade with your live trading account in a London session. Okay, so just be practice, and when you get acquaintance, get used to the trading speed, the speed of the price movement, you can enter with a big trading volume. Increase your trading volume gradually. And this market is not for everyone is greedy. It's not. Only you, when you is greedy, you will become a shark bait. Listen to me and remember this word, okay? Like the last Friday nightmare. If anyone is greedy and use the maximum leverage in your trading account, you will be washed away from the market. And there's thousands of cases, thousands of investor. I surf the social media, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and there's thousands negative comments about this nightmare event. And this is the case study for everyone that you are still greedy when you enter this market. And leverage is not safe. Yeah, to be honest, leverage is like a knife for your trading account. Okay, so this is just my sharing after several severe events, and last Friday nightmare is one of them. Okay. Short form. Too funny. Can I still enter the enter? For me, the buy scalping signal, we just set the pending order and set the stop loss and just let it go. And now we do not have good position actually, and the resistance at 4203. We need to wait for the candlestick. How is it established at this area? Because it's already reacted 5 times at this resistance level, and it easily break out if the price coming back to that entry zone again. Okay, so in my point of view that we need to wait for the market signal. Now the market confirmation, like observing the candle. Okay, how is it gonna be formed? Any shadows or not? Okay, so this is the key level we need to observe when we enter to the New York session. What budget do you recommend starting with? The minimum capital of each broker allow you is around $50 or to 100, right? Just if you're just a new beginners, and you can trade with your demo account, or if you want to feel more real in trading, you can open the light trading account with $50 or $100 and use the micro lot. Okay, just practice and be disciplined to your risk reward ratio. Micro lot, for one signal hit stop loss, you will lose $5 only. Micro lot 0.01. Okay, and stop loss for 50 pips, you will lose $5 only. Okay, so that is my advice for you to start trading after you stop trading with your demo account. That's very good, but continue to be disciplined. Okay, don't think that you are good at trading after multiple your trading volume for a few signals. After a few signals, the markets know how to trap your trading psychology. Okay, and the key point is this market is be disciplined to your analysis, to your trading action. Set the stop loss, and risk reward ratio must be balanced. Okay, so that's just my honest sharing for everyone, especially your new beginners to this market. Yeah, that's just that trading is not making money from the trading is not easy at all. Yeah, and it's easy to make you greedy. You know, the big players know how to manipulate us. Yeah, they are a master. They are a master to manipulate our trading psychology and lead you to the trap every day that we do not know. Indeed. So that's his trading. That's his trading. So to avoid this, be disciplined. Be wide awake for every trade you are in. Every trading volume you decide to in. Okay? And how to say, do not use the leverage too much. It's not good because the price is not move in one direction. You know, it comes up and down, comes up and down, comes up and down. So do not use too much leverage if you are trading as the beginner. Okay? And now it's time to say goodbye, and I need to focus back on my VIP members. And yeah, my signal was missed around 3 pips, and now it's already active. It's already hit to a higher levels. Okay, so you see that it just missed about 5 to 3 pips from my entry zone. Okay, so no worries that in my VIP signal group there's a lot of opportunities for every traders want to improve their trading skill and trading account. Okay, and thank you so much everyone for joining in my live stream today, and see you in this Friday. Okay, we will have our first lesson, and I will share with you the knowledge you need to know for this forex market. Okay, thank you and see you again. Goodbye.